The dumbest thing you can do when you're starting this business is publish what this tells you to do, is publish what your heart desires, what you're passionate on. That is the stupidest thing you can do. Caveat, if you want to make money. If you don't want to make money, go ahead and publish what you're passionate about. Fine. You might strike gold, you probably won't. But when I'm publishing for one reason: to make money. So if you want to publish to make money, then you have to publish books based on data. We can't just publish in a generic topic of whatever we want because it seems like a good idea in your head, but the rest of the world thinks it's stupid. So you have to publish books on things that the data says there are people already buying books on this topic. There are publishers like you, like me, already publishing books on those topics, and we're making money. You need to find those type of niches to publish books on. Why? Because they're proven and people are making money with them. That's it. That's the only reason. If you can publish a book in a niche that other publishers are publishing in and they're making money, there is no reason you cannot find the same success that they have as well. I am going to give you an example of one of my students who did this the backwards way before he joined the program. He was publishing, he had a couple books and thought he was doing everything correct. And in fact, I think there's a video of me walking him through this process on the channel. I'll link it in the description for you guys. And he thought he was doing everything correct. And he got his books to 100 reviews. And 2 of them, if I remember correctly, 100 reviews on each. So he put the work in. He was doing it all correct. And he was wondering on one of our coaching calls, he was wondering, why am I not making any sales? And I looked at the topics and it was like, because there's no demand for these topics. You're publishing books that nobody wants. So why would you make sales? He's like, I know, but it doesn't matter. You're publishing books and topics nobody wants. So nothing else you say matters. You have to publish books on topics that people want. And guess what? He understood. It sucks. Sometimes we get kicked in the face and that's what happens, and that's what happened to him. But then he published books on topics people wanted, and now he's making money, right? So the business isn't hard, but so many people mess up this part. So many people publish a book on a topic with no demand, with no proof of concept. POC is what we call it in the program. They don't follow the rule. And if you publish a book on some random topic, you might get lucky, but you also might get lucky buying a lottery ticket. I'd rather 100% secure my book's success by publishing a book on a topic I know is going to work. That's what I do. That's what all the top publishers do. We don't publish random books. We publish strategically on topics we know will win. Now, how do you know if a topic's gonna win, right? Well, you're gonna use a free tool called Kip Scout, okay? We'll put a link in it. And you're going to look for topics that are making at least $500 a month in sales, that have less than 150 reviews, and you can find 3 books minimum that are hitting those 2 criterias all on the first page. That's it. You might find this in 30 minutes. It might take you 3 weeks to figure this out. But I can guarantee you one thing. If you figure it out, you'll find success in this business. But you gotta remember, if you don't validate your niche, nothing else you do is gonna matter.
Hey, real quick, if you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating a book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now.